Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna do a quick video. I just got this rear diffuser that you see here. It's not a spoiler. I just have it here on the top for presentation purposes. That part is gonna be going right there, right in between the two exhausts, and is held on by 3M adhesive tape, just like all the other parts that you guys have seen from my other videos. I already went ahead and peeled off the 3M adhesive tape, and this particular piece gets held down by that plus 3 screws, which I'll show you where they go once at the bottom. But if you see there's a hole there, there's a hole at the center, and then there's a hole on the other corner. So just got to make sure you align it very carefully, make sure it's nice and center here to this bottom piece, and then you can start screwing in the screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, so you're gonna have to install 3 of these. These come in the packaging, this is what you're gonna screw at the bottom. You're gonna go ahead and need a drill just to make the job much easier. I already went ahead and already did it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you below on how it looks, but right now, just with the 3M adhesive, this is how it looks. I already put the screws in, but with the 3 adhesive, this is how it would look as well. So it holds on pretty well. Comes with a nice little reflector in the center as well, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the bottom with the 3 screws, and then I'm gonna pull up the car out in the nice sunshine so you guys can see it and how it complements also the front. So here we go. Alright guys, so there is one on the corner, one in the center area, and then there's one in the other corner, as you can see. I might unscrew these because the manufacturer, as you can see, did not include washers like on the other lip spoiler that I had in the front. So these screws tend to kind of go right through the hole. It's held on pretty well, but I recommend adding some little washers. So I'll probably go ahead and fix that, and but that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a final shot, and so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks, the final product. Gives it another nice little mean look from the rear to complement the front lip spoiler that I installed. Go ahead and make sure you check out that video, guys. But this is how that looks. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase this, I'll go ahead and put the link below. The vendor is gonna go ahead and honor a 10% off discount, so just message the seller with a 10%, mention my channel name, Boosted Whips, or my eBay ID, which is FNUN4676, and they will go ahead and honor a 10% discount. So if you guys are really interested in this, you can go ahead and mention my channel name for some special discount from this seller. And we just want to take another shot here, guys, so you guys can see how it looks in the front. I had a few people ask me how it looks from a far distance, the front lip spoiler, so might as well just take advantage of here so you guys can go ahead and see how it looks. And that's how it sits, guys. Car is looking really nice with all these little small mods. And that's how it looks, guys. So once again, guys, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. I'll go ahead and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Boosted Whips. Have a blessed day.